I'm Fionnuala O'Malley and I'm a software engineer at Fidelity Investments. So a large portion of my day is spent delivering code for Fidelity products and services. I start the day with a morning check-in with my team and we talk about the task that I'm working on. I just give a quick update such as what I did yesterday, what I plan to do today, and if there's any issues blocking me from making progress. I then write the code for the task along with the necessary unit and automation tests. The code is then reviewed by other developers, and once they're happy, the code is then deployed to the appropriate testing environments. You need to determine the best way to implement a piece of software and be a creative problem solver that can sift through code and identify the origin of a bug and decide on the best solution. You also need to walk through complex pieces of code, develop an understanding, and then be able to explain solutions to other team members regardless of their technical background. We work as part of a team, so there's a high level of communication and collaboration required. I myself work as part of a global team. I'll communicate with many team members, such as other developers, UX designers, system analysts, and project owners. So as a result, effective communication in both writing and orally is a key skill set to have. My journey started in 2018 when I graduated with a BA in IT and history from NUI Galway. I continued my studies to pursue a higher diploma in software design and development. Our team was fortunate enough to receive IT Project of the Year award in the BA Information Technology stream. At the awards ceremony, there were a number of industry sponsors present. I asked the Fidelity sponsor about the opportunities available for IT graduates. I had heard great things about Fidelity and they expanded on this by telling me about the Leap Technology Immersive Graduate Program, which is a 4-month training program that combines classroom training with a real-world project. I felt that this would be perfect for me as the classroom training would ensure an easy transition from college, and then following training I'd be confident and well prepared to tackle a real-world project within Fidelity. I would encourage students to take advantage of resources provided by their university or college. When I was a student working on a coding assignment, I would implement a solution and take a few moments just to look back over the solution and try to think of ways to improve on it. I would then talk to the lab tutor or the lecturer, receive their feedback, and then apply that into the solution. Over time, I became very comfortable and confident talking through pieces of code, explaining solutions, and improved my coding abilities by taking input from those more experienced. And I found that all this benefited me later when I started my journey as a full stack software engineer. I love that I'm constantly learning about new technologies, languages, tools, frameworks. Furthermore, there's a great culture at Fidelity and there's loads of opportunities to get involved in different events outside our direct roles. Last year, I delivered an engineering community of practice talk on debugging tools, which allowed me to develop my presentation skills. I was also a member of the winning team for the 2021 Fidelity Global Women in Technology Hackathon. We competed against 23 other teams across Fidelity's US, India, China and Ireland sites. As a team, we developed an inclusion language assistant browser extension. This was great as I got the opportunity to develop alongside colleagues I hadn't worked with and work with a range of different technologies and languages, which is always really interesting and I love about my job. Initially, when I started, we were in the office and we were there for about 6 weeks. And then obviously the pandemic happened, and the transition itself, I think Fidelity did a really good job at assisting us. And this was a new experience for everyone. So it was a case of everyone was on the same boat.